Hello everyone, I'll tell you how to make Grenadine Glow Mocktail. Today I'll tell you how to make the Grenadine Glow Mocktail. This is the refreshment mocktail you can try with the combination of grenadine syrup, limca soda and like ginger lime cordial. Okay, how to make that Grenadine Glow Mocktail? First of all, take a pilsner glass, then you have to pour some slice of gingers, then it goes some lime wedges or lime chunks. Then you have to muddle limes and ginger properly. Gently you have to muddle lime and ginger slice. After that you have to pour like 5 to 10 ml of ginger and lime cordial. After that you have to pour 15 to 20 ml of grenadine syrups. Okay, then you have to add some ice cube. This is very simple stirring method mocktail you can try. After that you have to pour some limca in this. So this is very fancy refreshment mocktail you can try. Okay, after that simply you have to fill the mocktail with soda. Okay, after that you have to stir the mocktail with the help of stirrer or bar spoon. You have to stir all the ingredients. See how your refreshment mocktail is ready with ginger like grenadine syrup. You can garnish the mocktail with like cherries or lime slices and mint spring. Very refreshment mocktail you can try. I'm garnishing the mocktail with ginger slices. See, your mocktail is ready. You can try this mocktail. Very simple mocktail. You can prepare grenadine syrup, lime cordial, soda, limca and like ginger slice and lime slice. You can try this mocktail. Very fancy mocktail. I hope you like this. I hope you like this mocktail and prepare this mocktail. And thank you very much for watching my video. And please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Just for the small